Welcome to Berlin Code Hub. Future tech leaders start here. Experience a personalized one-to-one learning tailored to your child's pace with our dedicated instructors. Our industry-aligned curriculum uses real professional coding tools designed to be fun and engaging. Learn from top computer science teachers from around the world with lessons in multiple languages. Follow clear tech pathways with engaging topics from creative computing to Minecraft coding and join a thriving global coding community where students connect, collaborate, and share ideas with like-minded learners. Benefit from regular progress tracking, detailed feedback, and assessments to ensure steady. Showcase your skills with an impressive portfolio full of achievements and certificates. Start your coding journey today at berlincodehub.com and transform your